looking over on the other side of the playground. There, my friends. They seemed distant, 100 miles away or 10,000 fathoms under the sea. And then I looked to my right. And there he was, my oldest friend and my greatest enemy, Mr. Conscience. Well, they seem to be enjoying themselves. Without you, that is. I tilted my head. What do you mean? I'm just waiting for them to invite me over. They never will, he said, interrupting me. His words felt harsh, deadly, like a potent venom. Why do you think they won't invite me? Because they hate you. They despise you. They've grown sick, tired of you. I never expected him to say this. His words had been hurtful, yes, but never felt honest. He continued, you had your chance and you blew it. Yes, you tried and you failed miserably. He sat up from the swings and started pushing me, applying more and more force with each swing. Think about it. They make excuses. They lie. They avoid you. He swung me more and more as he spoke. His words dug deep into my skin like claws.